In today's video, I'm going to teach you the advanced automation examples in Monday.com. We'll start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, head over to your CRM workspace. From there, open the contacts board, since that's the example board we'll use throughout this walkthrough. After the board loads, click the Automate button near the top. Then select the drop-down arrow to explore more automation options, and choose Create from Templates. This is a great place to begin because templates help you build useful workflows faster without starting from scratch. Now let's look at some advanced automation examples you can use on a board like this. One helpful option is when an item is created, assign the creator as the person. This automation automatically assigns ownership to whoever created the item, which is especially useful for accountability and quick follow-up. It removes the need to manually assign contacts or tasks every single time a new item is added. Another common automation is when status changes to something, notify someone. This is perfect for keeping teammates informed the moment something important happens, such as a lead becoming qualified or a task being ready for review. Notifications like this help teams respond faster and reduce the chance of missed updates. You can also use when date arrives, notify someone. This works well for reminders tied to deadlines, follow-ups, or scheduled outreach. Instead of relying on memory, Monday.com sends the notification automatically when the chosen date comes up. Next, there's when status changes to something, move item to group. This helps keep your board organized by automatically shifting items into the correct stage of your workflow. For example, once a contact reaches a certain status, it can move into a new group without any manual dragging. A more advanced integration is when an item is created or updated. Create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. This is useful when your board dates need to stay aligned with your calendar, and it helps avoid duplicate work between platforms. Another strong option is when an email is received. Create an item in group. This lets incoming emails automatically generate trackable items on your board, which can be very useful for support requests, inquiries, or new leads. You can also set up when date arrives, and only if status is something, notify someone. This adds a condition, making your reminders more targeted and relevant instead of sending alerts for every item. Finally, there's every time period, create an item. This is excellent for recurring tasks, routine check-ins, or repeated processes that happen weekly or monthly. Keep in mind that advanced automation templates can vary from board to board depending on the board's purpose. It's also a smart idea to combine automations, use custom recipes when needed, test on a sample board first, and review your automation usage regularly. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.